Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kairat Itibayev. I'm here representing Tourism Fund. I'm very honored to be here, and today I have a very short speech. First of all, tourism is an integrated part of culture. And due to the culture, we could attract people and admiring people and giving some kind of very good, interesting experience and values, the most important. We now at the Kyrgyz Republic promoting new trend in tourism. This is nomad. I'm a nomad. And that's why the nomad is one of the inner part of the Kyrgyz nation. We are very proud to tell you very short things. First of all, nomad, the Kyrgyz describing as a Kyrgyz is our national hat, Akkalpak. It symbolizes purity. It symbolizes glacier. We have, our territory is covered by mountains for 94%. 94%, and we have preserved very high quality drinkable water. And soon, very soon, by 2050, water becomes the main resource in the world, on the earth. And we should understand this is water becoming very important. And glaciers is preserving it, these resources. And this hat symbolizes glaciers, this first thing. Second, inside of that, this is so-called in Kyrgyz language, manastamga. It's a kind of letter of our epic hero Manas. It shows that between heaven and earth and all daily lives. So it's a very deep philosophy, comes from ancient time. And I am proud of being here as a Kyrgyz with Akkalpak. And last thing, my tie. Everybody knows and visited Turkey, Istanbul, and many Turkish now says, this is, how to say in Kyrgyz, gözmonçok. It's like aberek, it's like kind of thing that can help you to protect from something bad words or bad eyes, jealous, for lucky. Yeah, but in Kyrgyz we have black and white, gözmonçok. Today, of course, from the point of religion is not good, maybe. But in Turkey market, in Turkey, they say it is like kind of product for promotion and marketing. And for them, it's very popular. When I ask always, Turk says it comes for us from Central Asia. Not in the Turkey, it comes from here. So this is just small signs and symbols what I have already here, and I'm representing. This is it was just first part of my speech. Second part of my speech, it is our project Bosogo. Bosogo like entrance. We are representing our hospitality center for tourists. It works from 1st of November. And we are interested to be your partner, especially for diplomats. You can come to us to this office because this office located in the center, in the main square. And what's interesting, today we're going to start with, for example, with Lady Nazira, with lectures. We're having there very interesting lectures about history, traditions, and some kind of professional courses. But at the same time, we're providing them for all who wants to get services. How to reach from Bishkek, for example, to Isikul, or how to get registration as a foreigner, or how to buy a SIM card or tour packages. And soon we're going to start there also souvenir shop, master classes, and our tour season is coming. And I would be so much happy and all of you embrace if you come to our Bosogo and support our this point. This is the office form of yurt. Yurt, it's the main accommodation of nomads. It's one of our trendy product. Everyone who visits the Kyrgyz Republic should stay at least one night in yurt. Why? Because you can calm down. It's like meditation. Because during the night in the nature, you connecting, recharging by space. It's over the tunduk. It's our symbol in the flag. And this is for us very scary. And that's why I would all of you invite to be our tourists. All our citizens, fellows, and honored diplomats to be our tourists and trip in our Kyrgyz Republic. And we always would be happy to make you glad. And thank you very much for your attention. See you soon. Thank you.